So first of all, we have this compound angle for tangent in the MF19. So for theta plus 60 degrees, you gotta use the plus, so the sign on top, plus plus minus. So tangent theta plus 60 is tangent plus tangent all over 1 minus tangent. And for 60 minus theta, we use the sign at the bottom, so minus plus tangent minus tangent all over 1 plus tangent. So now we replace the tangent theta plus 60 with this and tangent theta minus 60 with this. Now we use the calculator. Tangent 60 is root 3 and tangent 60 is again root 3 here. So now we need to solve this, so we can start by multiplying both sides, because this is complicated. Just multiply both sides by the LCM of the denominator, so we multiply by this guy and this guy, so we don't have fractions anymore. So on the left side, when we multiply, we cancel out, so we have only tangent theta plus root 3 times 1 plus root 3 tangent theta. This is what we get. Now on the right, when we multiply, we do 2 times this guy, so we have 2 times everything here. And then when we multiply this, we cancel out, so we have root 3 minus tangent times 1 minus root 3 tangent. Then we expand everything, open up the brackets. So tangent times 1 is this tangent times root 3 tangent squared, root 3 times 1 just root 3 times root 3 tangent, that's 3 tangent. And here we have 1 times 1 times 2, so it's 2. And then 1 times root 3 tangent times 2, so 2 root 3 tangent. And a minus root 3 tangent times 1 times 2, so minus 2 root 3 tangent. And minus root 3 tangent times plus root 3 tangent, so we have minus 3 tangent times 2 minus 6 tangent squared. Okay, and last one, we have root 3 multiply minus 3 tangent multiply minus tangent multiply plus root 3 tangent squared. And let's see what we can cancel out. Root 3 tangent squared cancel out, and root 3 cancel out. And on the left, now we have tangent plus 3 tangent, which is 4 tangent. And on the right, we have actually they cancel out also here, so they also cancel out. Now we have only minus tangent squared, and this is minus 4 tangent, so this is the simplest form. And then we move everything to the left, so plus 6 tangent squared, move it to the left, and plus 4 tangent, we have 4 plus 4, which is 8, and subtract 2 from both sides also, we have minus 2 on the left. So this is now a quadratic in tangent. This is the quadratic formula. Identify the a, b, c, and plug in to the formula here, use a calculator. We're gonna get minus 2 plus minus root 7 all over 3. So this means we have two possibilities. Tangent equals the plus and the minus. Now just use your calculator first to know whether it's positive or negative. From here, use a calculator, we get something positive, and from here we get something negative. Now to find the base angle, we use inverse tangent something positive. So since this is already positive, just use inverse tangent of this guy here, and you get the base angle in quadrant 1. But for this guy, we have to use inverse tangent minus this guy, because we want the angle in the first quadrant positive. If we don't use this minus, it's going to be negative 57.1 degrees. Okay, so this is the first quadrant base angle. And now since we use this domain, the first two quadrants, we can now use quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. And because we are dealing with tangent, tangent is positive in quadrant 1 and negative in quadrant 2. So for the positive here, because it is positive, we gotta use the first quadrant, which is just the base angle, 12.1. Now for the negative tangent, we have to use the second quadrant, and second quadrant means 180 minus base angle, so we get this from 180 minus 57.1. So we have two solutions. Alright, I'll see you again next time.